Hello, my name is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Love of Leaves bundle. So here's the card and here's the bundle. So in the bundle you have the stamp set and the dies and all these leaves. It's a distinctive stamp set, so you've got shadows and highlights, and each leaf has a coordinating die that cuts it out and also cuts out an outline with stitching, and also has this die that cuts stitching for the inside of the leaf, which is really cool. There's also this bonus die here that I'm going to show you in another video for a different card. So I've already stamped and cut out these three leaves. There's this mint macaron maple leaf, and there's stitching on it. Hope you can see the stitching there. Pretty cool. And I'm starting with a mint macaron base and a very vanilla cardstock here that I've embossed with the Pinewood Planks embossing folder. And I'll just attach that to my card. And then I have some Gilded Autumn Designer Series paper. And one side has copper and gold foil. And then the other side has patterns, and I'm going to put this pattern on a diagonal, which makes it kind of fun. And then all the leaves I'm going to put on dimensionals. And the maple leaf actually gets a lot of dimensionals because it has a lot of places where it needs dimensionals. All these leaves. So I'm gonna put the maple leaf on the Designer Series paper, and then I'm gonna add the other two leaves. And then I've got this sentiment that I'm gonna stamp in Early Espresso. And then I'm gonna add a little bow with the linen braided linen trim. So I've got this long piece of very vanilla here, and I'm gonna use the Early Espresso ink. Stamp this in the bottom corner here. And I'm just going to use my mini trimmer to trim this off here. Just trim off an ever so slightly thin strip here. Thinner and thinner this piece gets. And I'll just use my paper snips to snip off this end right here. And then I'll add some mini dimensionals on this piece right here. We'll put some on the ends, and then we'll add some in the middle. The Love of Leaves bundle goes really nicely with the Gilded Autumn suite. I'm going to put this up here. And then I've already made a bow, which has disappeared. Here it is. And I'll just put that on a glue dot. I'll just place it right here. And there we have our card. So I'm offering a class on the Love of Leaves bundle. It consists of 6 cards 3 designs, 2 each of 3 designs. You can go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use this hostess code. You place a $30 order and send me an email and let me know you'd like the Love of Leaves bundle class. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can check out all my other videos, including my other 2 videos on the other 2 Love of Leaves bundle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.